Okay, I'm actually going to try to video what's actually up on the roof. Conditions there. There's this tree. Has snapped over here. I want to be able to see exactly how bad things are up there without getting up on the roof. Corey, can you come here, please? Okay, so I'm going to just video up. I want to see what the roof looks like. And I think part of the belt of the of our chimney got whacked. I'm just okay. I don't know. Hopefully, I was able to see enough there. Can you stay with me? Okay. Make sure the door's closed and come and stay with me. All right. So this tree here. Okay. Don't know if we can see more here. Drop under the wire. Yeah, your card just got missed. Just completely just by the skin on your teeth, it's got missed.
We apologize for the delay. All our operators are on other calls.
Okay.
We'll be with you as soon as possible.
You saw Ross and Alice's roof? Yeah, okay. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get a different angle from here. Hopefully this will give us an idea of what's there. I'm holding up a lightning rod, eh? Hopefully that's not gonna happen now. It seems the storm's gone.
We apologize for the delay. All our operators are on other calls. We'll be with you as soon as possible.
Okay, let's see if there's any other damage or things visible here. There are lots of sirens.